So we're heading to the Elephant Beach right now, and we got to do 1.8 kilometers of trek. This is a jungle. They are saying there is an elephant, wild elephant inside this forest, and also some wild creatures. So we got to be careful. Here is my buddy, Mr. Azharul Ahad, the great. So what's the story of the day? Today in the morning we did scuba diving. I was so scared in the water. I was coming up all the time. I gave a tough time to the instructor, man. These guys took a dip inside the water and then they came only at the end. So right now there are still few more fun activities to be done in the Elephant Beach. Here is my bro, Mr. RG. He's leading the pack.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger.
Bye. Exploring the jungles, huh? Exploring the jungle trees. Wow, these are huge, man. Look at these trees. So that's a jungle, right? That is why it's called a forest area. Good thing is, they cleared this path a little bit, huh? Otherwise it would have been tough. The trek which we did at Munda Pahar near that Tida Tapu, that was little tough. This is kind of smooth little bit because it has got a flat surface. That was very inclined surface, Oh man, look at this tree. Seriously, look at the tree. So huge it is. So huge. How old the tree would have been like. So look at this dense, thick forest, man. And we got a small track out here. Guys, you know what? We just now found elephant dung actually. It's a bit hard. I mean, it's harder. So, and there is only one elephant. Huh? There should have been multiple. Yeah. Right?
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for.
So we are in the middle of this forest and we came across a big, large tree. Look at the tree size.
We must never stop the way.
Wow, man. Azabhai, you are spoiling the flora and fauna. Haven't you read the board? Why are you spoiling the flora and fauna, man? So what is the tree? That is Padaka. Padauk. This is the Padauk tree. That's how big it is. Let me just go near to it. And then just show you it. Already our own tree. Okay, so finally after walking for a kilometer or so, we are very much near to our destiny, which is the Elephant Beach. So I think they're saying water might be coming until this place. Actually, these are all mangrove trees. Look at these tiny crabs. So yeah, heading to the ocean, Elephant Beach. They say there are going to be a lot of water activities out there in the Elephant Beach, and then I got to see what I can do. I wanted to explore or do the things or activities which I haven't done before. So let's see. I am not sure which way to go. So looks like I'm kind of stuck in this lagoon. Look at this, man. Look at all this. Oh man. Oh god. It's good, I thought. I got my trekking shoes on. Feels like I'm doing some National Geographic or Discovery challenge. Look at all these trees. Look at all these trees. Is it deforestation or is it natural? Okay. We are very much close to the Elephant Beach right now. So let's see you at the Elephant Beach. Tiring. Finally, about to reach the beach. Look at the sound of the bird. This is the way. चिड़िया है सर, क्या है वो? चिड़िया कहाँ पे है? दिखना नहीं हो? दिख रहा आपको? कहाँ का?
वो भी नीचे उतर गया। वो देखिए, वो दो कांता डाली नहीं है उधर।
हाँ?
वो बगल में देखिए, दो कांता डाली नहीं है।
लाल है कुछ?
नहीं लाल नहीं है।
Okay, finally entering the Elephant Beach. Look at the shorelines. हाँ सर, क्या है सी वॉक? कितना कॉस्ट होगा सी वॉक?
उसका 3500 है।
अरे इतना कॉस्ट में कैसा होगा?
और स्नॉर्कलिंग करने से 1000 में आ जाएगा।
सी वॉक कुछ 1000 में होगा?
यूरोप में 1000 में नहीं है सर, 3500 तक।
3500 तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा है यार।
उसमें तो होएगा सर, जो रेट है वही तो होएगा सर।
अच्छा, देखेंगे, मेरे दोस्त लोग भी है, देखेंगे।
हाँ दोस्त है।
ये क्या है? ये जो भी है इसमें क्या है?
ये ककड़ा है।
होल्स ककड़ा मतलब केकड़ा?
किराक
क्रैब का है वो? उतना बड़ा होल? उतना बड़ा क्रैब है क्या?
बड़ा किराक, इतना बड़ा वाला किराक।
अरे
छोटा भी है बड़ा भी। ये आप लोग का दोस्त है।
हाँ वहाँ पे है ना। अरे ये है वाटर एक्टिविटीज। तो पानी नहाने के लिए बीच।
The birds have just begun.
ओके, so this is the elephant beach.
We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young.
So finally
For
reached
the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a whirl. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a whirl. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, sunlight, we go.